Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
What is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So, Shibarium block production steady as nightmare appears over. Okay? Now, guys, we all know what happened. Keep on repeating in every single video. Yes, it sucks. First day, absolute flop. Too much demand. Had to go down the system. Shibarium couldn't operate. But guys, you know, this nightmare that we had is over. And I knew it was going to be over. And now the nightmare has turned into, you know, a dream. A nice thing, okay? Something positive. So we're back on the track. Let's just see what we have here going on. So after many restoration efforts, the Shibarium protocol appears to be running smoothly according to data from the Layer 2 protocol scanning platform PuppyNet. According to data being brandished, a total block of 2,219,000 has been produced thus far, with the average block time pegged at 7 seconds. The health of the Shibarium protocol is also depicted by total daily transactions, which is pegged north of $176,000. okay, so big transactions. Obviously that stuff is all going to be increasing. The healthy trends on the Shibarium protocol are a testament to the collective effort by the developers of the blockchain, as led by Shytoshi Kusama. Although the daily transaction rate is still below the amount stuck on chain as its initial launch earlier this month, operating without obstruction is proof that the worst of the nightmare might be over. Okay, I think it definitely is over. So per update shared earlier by Shytoshi Kusama and other developers, the major restorative efforts being directed at Shibarium were meant to boost its scalability. This has been to the core foundation that fueled the emergence of L2 in the first place, and in a bid to get things right this time around, the team reportedly drafted help from other established crypto projects in today's Web 3.0 ecosystem. Okay, so is Shibarium set to compete? While Shibarium might be back on its feet, it should be noted that it's still taking baby steps, and it is far from competing with other known Ethereum-based Layer 2 scaling solutions. Beside the recently launched based protocol from Coinbase, the other major contenders include Arbitrum, Optimism, we've got Polygon, well, and others. Okay, so the expectations for Shibarium are high. Okay, this is very true, guys. Let me just highlight this and tell you that everybody is looking at Shibarium, and you know, Shibarium has to do its job, because otherwise this is going to be a complete catastrophe. So the protocol's failed launch has forced a number of community members to be more laid back. Whether the attempt to regain the interest of the SHIB army will succeed is highly dependent on how the next few weeks pan out. As the protocol is now back online, the question remains whether it can onboard as many users as it initially promised to. Okay, so definitely, you know, a lot of questions remain to be answered in terms of, you know, how well it's going to do. But these are the type of things that we don't know. It's more of a, you know, let's wait and see what happens, because we are seeing the minor steps. Okay, slowly this thing is getting fixed, someone's integrating, someone's joining, numbers are going up, it's being mentioned more on social media. So I think, you know, it's like a little baby, and you just need to nurture it and let it grow and turn into you know, the adult that it needs to turn into. Okay, so I think this is what Shibarium is going through, the SHIB ecosystem, step by step. I think if everything had worked out the first day, we would have seen the spike that I was always talking about. But now it's a bit complicated. You know, I thought also the relaunch would be more of like a countdown, but it kind of just went back on, and everybody, you know, is now on it. Things, obviously, more things need to be fixed, done, but it's all in production. Okay, so that's what makes me happy. I think with the way we're going, with the way I'm seeing things, I will be expecting some nice price rises, some increases of our portfolios for sure. Okay, so that is all coming. Okay, so please don't worry, don't freak out. It's all on the way. You haven't been forgotten about. Also, don't forget that the market is quite bearish. But with the crypto, well, Bitcoin, the godfather of all cryptos, with its recovery, you are going to see Bone get that extra also boost. Okay, that's very important. I have no idea how we can be that unlucky having Shibarium go down on top of it, Bitcoin just drop to that 26k from 30k, literally on or the day after Shibarium launch. I mean, that was crazy. Okay, very unexpected, massive drop, and the whole crypto market freaks out. But it happens, it happens, and you just kind of have to move on with it. Just accept it, because sometimes people can't accept it and they leave and they freak out, and it's not going their way. Well, what are you gonna do? Cry about it? Guys, there's nothing to cry about. We have Shibarium in the relaunch. We have a utility. We have a use case. There's a reason why people are going to be investing now. There's a reason why people need it. So everything is right, okay? The stages are correct. So stop worrying about, the stupid things that some people worry about. They're not worth it. Worry about the real stuff here, okay? Keep your psychology, your mental state in the right state, okay? Get yourself really, planning, thinking, and understanding what is to come, and get prepared for that big payday. Let me make it clear to you. Your bank manager will definitely need to know what is going on with your bank account, because you're going to be receiving some massive amounts of money. So you need to, explain everything. Otherwise, they're going to think that you're some mafia boss or something. All of a sudden you're getting these crazy payouts. It doesn't happen all the time, does it? So, enough with this, guys. You get my point. I am always positive. So let me know down below how you feel. Is this nightmare over? Are we now back, on another track? Are we trying to achieve new things? Let me know down below. Also, guys, don't forget to turn that notifications bell on. Make sure you are subscribed. And guys, what can I say? A big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.